Today, we're gonna make a Variegate, just like the one I'm holding in my hand. Some raspberries, some blueberries, and I'm gonna show you how to make one of these. We got some really cool raspberries and blueberries. A little bit of our raspberry flavor. We got pre-weighed here. This is organic rice syrup. What I have is some organic cane sugar, some organic starch, a little bit of organic pectin. So the easiest thing to do is put them all together now, blend them with our organic cane sugar, kind of get them evenly dispersed. I have this really cool kettle right here. It uses steam inside to heat up this liquid, and then there's no direct flame on it. So I don't have to stir it as much if I don't want to. I got my water, dump that in. And then we're gonna pour in the sugar mix here in a second. The purpose of this is, one, it's the sugar for the sweetness. The starch and the pectin are gonna help us thicken this product up really nice, kind of help hold our fruits in place, and it really is the basis of any Variegate. I'm gonna add in my organic rice syrup. Because I know I'm getting close now, I'm gonna add my fruit. Now the raspberries are gonna break up, the blueberries are not. And we're also gonna get some water coming out of these berries, which is gonna contribute. Now it's starting to darken up too, because that starch now is really going through that change. See that nice little boil going? We're at 185 and dropping now. Okay, I'm gonna dump my flavor in now, because this stuff is just about ready. It's very clear, that's a good sign. The starch is all getting reacted, so in goes my 2 pipettes of flavor. I want a nice robust raspberry flavor note, even though it's raspberry and blueberry. It is done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in some mason jars. By adding it at this temperature into this jar, it's killing everything that might be in the jar, any yeast, molds, or bacteria. You're probably wondering, where's Luce going with these things, right? She's capping them, and then she's gonna invert them, and the cap is gonna get some of that 185-degree temperature material on it, and it's gonna kill everything on the underside of the cap. And then she's gonna put them inside a bath of warm water where she slowly introduces cold water, because we wanna start cooling these bad boys down, and we wanna preserve that color and the flavor. Yeah, that's really good. That's the finish on our Variegate for the frozen yogurt. You can check out how we did the frozen yogurt part of it, but the Variegate turned out amazing. Smells great. I can eat it out of the jar. I can spoon it onto ice cream or spread it on toast. Check out the video on the frozen yogurt where we use this Variegate. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you'd like to see. Like us on Facebook, love us on Instagram, kick us in the shin on one of those other ones. We'll see you next time.